It offered an effective platform for exhibitors to demonstrate contemporary technologies and gain insights from their peers.
Here we are representing and we are showcasing some of the new technologies which we have developed, which will also contribute in a big way in a Make in India campaign. And that's the whole objective why we participate also into SN Welding Show. Some of the customers, they came here with a problem statement. They are facing some problems today and they have given us problems. They said that we want solution on this. So that's a big win-win, because we may not have those solutions rightly available here, but we will go back, we will design, we will look at the problem statement, design it and go back to them and offer them a solution.